Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Alexandra and today let's make together these gorgeous tassel earrings. This is my first project using tassel and I really like the result. The earrings turned out very elegant. They could also be your wedding earrings and you could choose lighter colors like pink or white to match your color scheme. But before we proceed with the tutorial, I realized that in my previous video I promised to show you how to add teardrop bead to your star and I forgot to do that, so let's do quickly this and then move on with the tutorial. So what I actually did, I added one bead to each of my pointing row here, so I added 4 so far. So now I want to attach the drop like this, so I will pick up one seed bead size 11. I will go through the teardrop bead and now I will pick up another seed bead size 11 and I will go up through the teardrop bead and also through the bead that I just added before the drop bead, like this. So my needle got out, my thread got out of the needle, sorry. So like this, and this is how you attach a drop bead to the star. This will be probably part of a necklace I will do, or a pendant, I'm not sure yet, but one of them. So what you want to do to finish this off, you actually want to reinforce your last added row. This way your bead will be nice and strong and your beadwork will be secure. So this is how you attach the drop bead. And now let's move on with the tutorial. For this project you will need the beaded star earring, which I made in my previous tutorial. I will add a link in the description below so you can easily find it. Then you will also need tassels or embroidery thread. As you can see, I already made my tassel, but I will show you how to do it from scratch. Then you will need seed beads size 11. I'm using this teal color. You will also need a needle. I'm using these size 10 ones. And you will need scissors for cutting the thread. In order to make the tassel, I already have made this, but I'll show you how to do this one because I actually need a black tassel to match this one. So what you will need is the thread and something to wrap the thread around. I'm using this cardboard piece. I'm not sure how big it is, but you can do whatever length you want. So to proceed, I will take some thread and take it around the cardboard piece like this. And what you need to do is just go around the cardboard piece like this. So I actually, for this tassel, I went around the cardboard 200 times. So let's do that. I already went 6 times. And this is how you do it. So I will pause the video and then I will come back after I've done this 200 times. Okay, so I went around the cardboard 200 times. So now what I need to do is cut the thread like this, and then I will take a big size of thread wrap around this on this side. I think I have like 30 centimeters here, so what I need to do is go behind the thread and make a small knot here. Actually, maybe 2 knots, one is not enough. Like this. This is to keep the thread from going around when we will cut the tassel. So now it's time to cut the tassel. I will cut it on this side. Like this. Now we don't need the cardboard. So this is the tassel. What you need to do now is to place your this thread in the middle. This way you don't have to cut too much on one of the sides. So we want to keep everything centered like this, and I will hold on to this end of the thread. So now what you need to do is just to wrap around the thread. Sorry. Like this. And that's it. And now what I need to do is to make a knot. I will actually make a few knots because one is not enough. Like this. And since the knot is on this side, what I will do is just move the tassel on the other side. Like this. Don't worry that this thread is longer. Actually, I will cut it a bit. So this is the tassel so far. As you can see, it's a bit more on this side. So if you can, move your knot a little bit like this. And now what I need to do is to to secure the tassel with this thread. So I will pick up some another piece of thread. This one I will actually choose it longer. I think I will have around 1 meter of thread, because this has a little bit more than this one. And you need to check where your knot is and make and hide it behind, underneath the tassel, not behind, like this. I think my knot is on the other side, if I'm not wrong. Yes, it is. Okay, so I'm actually new to working with tassels, so that's why it takes a little bit longer for me. So what you need to do is leave the thread a little bit longer here. This way you know which one is the other end of your thread that you're working with right now, like this. So what I will do is just go around the tassel a few times, like this. Yep. I think this is enough. Yep. And now what I need to do is make a knot to secure my thread. like this. This is how you make the tassel. I will actually cut the thread that we just added. Like this. I don't know yet how to hide the knot, but I'm working on it. So this will be on the back side of my earring for now. And this is how you make the tassel. I already have 2 black ones that I need to make a project for them. I'm not sure what they will be yet, but I will do something with it. So after finishing the tassel, now what we want to do is attach it to the star earring that we just did. So for this I will pick up 5 seed beads size 11. Then I will take them towards the end of my thread, and now I will go through one of the pointing bead of the star like this, and then I will pick up another 5 seed beads. And now what we need to do is take the tassel and go underneath it. Try to be in the middle if possible. And now what we need to do is go through all the beads that we just added a few more times. I think I will go at least 3 times. This is to keep the beadwork nice and secure. Be careful not to mess around with the thread. Okay, so we went through 2 times. Now I will go through a 3rd time. Like this. It can be a bit fiddly to have this end loose, but it will save me from making 2 knots for each end of the thread. So you will need to make 1 knot for this end and another one for this end. So I will show you quickly how to make also the knot. Try to be in the middle if possible. So I already went through all of the beads 3 times. Now I will make the knot. I think I will make 3 knots if possible. Yep, maybe 4, just to be sure, like this. And I will cut the thread. Be careful not to cut too close. I will actually cut only one end of the thread, and I will pick up the needle, and what I need to do is hide the knot. So I will go again through the tassel like this. Oh, this thread that I'm using is very slippery, let's say. And now you have to pull a little bit the thread so that the knot goes inside the tassel. And the last thing we have to do is cut the thread. And because I have a little bit of thread left here, what I will do is burn it just a little bit. Yep, that's it. And this is our earring. I actually have two. I'm gonna wear them a lot. I think they are very nice, and if you make them, let me know how they turned out for you in the comments below. Also, if you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already. So that's it for today's tutorial. Stay safe and see you in my next tutorial. Bye!